The Vinyl Artisan Pergola from Horizon Structures adds a dramatic maintenance-free statement to your property. These pergolas are made of a maintenance-free vinyl material. 6x6 vinyl-covered posts with a solid wood core have covers at the bottom to cover the mounting hardware. Attractive capitals and trim cover the hardware at the top. The heavy-duty headers that span all sides are made from two 2x8 pine boards sleeved with vinyl. The top is made of 2x6 joists sleeved with vinyl and capped with decorative scallops for a great look. 2x4 runners finish the top of the pergola. Like all of our structures, you'll find an almost endless list of options. Select your size. Choose your exterior color. Add an easy shade canopy to block out the midday sun, or an easy shade curtain for shade and privacy. No matter your style, there are options to make your pergola uniquely yours. But there's much more to our pergolas than colors and options. There's quality. We work hard to provide the very best products in the business, and it shows in our quality. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these pergolas with our 10-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Pergolas are also a great way to add value to your property, and financing is available if needed. The Vinyl Artisan Pergola from Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.